In this video, I'll show you how to schedule posts directly to your Instagram feed, stories, or IGTV using AiGrow. In your AiGrow dashboard, click on the Instagram account you would like to manage. IGTV lets you post longer videos to your Instagram account, so let's start there. Head to Post and Scheduling and select IGTV from the drop-down menu. You can upload any video that's less than 650 megabytes in size, longer than 1 minute, but shorter than 15 minutes. Upload the video and select a cover photo from the clips or upload one yourself if you prefer. Then give it a title and description and add hashtags. You can post previews of your IGTV posts on your feed as well by simply checking off the box that says Post a Preview. On this platform, you can schedule the same content across all of your Instagram accounts at the same time. So if you'd like to publish this post to other accounts, select them here. And finally, select one or more dates and times for your post to be published and click the Schedule button.